Flying the Maine coast in the fall is amazing. Join me on this approach into Bar Harbor. Today's flight is for Patient Airlift Services, also known as PALS. I'm currently picking up a passenger and their spouse from Bar Harbor, Maine. I got a real early start this morning, just in time to catch the sunrise before heading north along the coast, and now I'm approaching Bar Harbor from the southwest. Currently I'm about 5 miles out, holding at 2,000 feet, and that's about 1,000 feet above pattern altitude. My plan is to overfly the field above pattern altitude and then descend on the other side of the airport. I'll enter the left downwind for runway 22 and then land. After landing, I taxi to Modern Aviation where I meet the passengers.
Bar Harbor traffic, Cessna 934 Golf Romeo is 5 to the southwest. Going to overfly the airport at 2,000 feet. And then we'll join the left downwind for runway 22, Bar Harbor.
I'm speeding the video up right now just for time compression, but to give you an idea of what I'm thinking about. Right now I want to be above pattern altitude so I can stay away from other aircraft from the pattern, and I want to descend on the other side of the field so I can enter the pattern appropriately on the left downwind for runway 22.
Bar Harbor traffic, Cessna 934 Golf Romeo is overflying the field, 2,000.
Fun crossing 3517 on hotel.
Autopilot, disconnect.
One off 3517.
Approaching altitude.
Bar Harbor traffic, Cessna 934 Golf Romeo is entering the 45-degree entry for the left downwind runway 22, Bar Harbor.
Leaving altitude.
Bar Harbor traffic, Cessna 934 Golf Romeo entering left downwind runway 22, Bar Harbor. Harbor traffic, Cessna 934 Golf Romeo is turning left base, runway 22, Bar Harbor.
This one traveling 35 Harbor.
Bar Harbor traffic, Cessna 934 Golf Romeo is turning final, runway 22, Bar Harbor.
Now I'm currently on an extended rollout on the runway. The plan is to make a left turn on Alpha, go past Hotel, make a right into the ramp, right to that red square, which is Modern Aviation. Every time I fly a PALS flight, I just am reminded about how lucky I am. How lucky I am to help others with my love and passion for aviation. And every PALS flight is a reminder of what aviation can do. Connecting people, serving others, and making a real difference through flight. Not to mention, what a beautiful way to spend a morning. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're a pilot in the Northeast or a pilot anywhere in the country, I really hope you get the chance to fly on the Maine coastline in the fall or really any time of year. The Maine coast is absolutely beautiful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow the channel for more aviation content. We'll see you on the next flight.